Very good morning, dear student. So today I am going to discuss about the communication skill. Under the communication skill, the major thing that I am going to discuss about the communication barrier. Those are the topics are there under the communication skill which haven't been discussed yet. So communication barrier, effective of communication, and basic writing skills. So let us start it. Now, as we say that when we are having the communication, barriers of the communication, barriers of effective communication means as a measure to overcome the barriers of communication, what we have the learning about the various barriers of the effective communications and their types, what we are going to read. Different measures that needed to be adapted to overcome the barriers of the effective communication, gain the practice experience, what role play by the different type of barriers, how can we overcome the barriers in a different area, and counseling of the different skills that hamper the barrier. Now communication means what, that we are sharing some informations, isn't it? So when we are sharing the information with one another, so what we find, as we are sharing that time, what we find it that it requires to be understood. So effective communication requires what is it requires, it requires an understanding. That means a message that we are conveying, message should be clearly between the sender and the receiver. Okay, the desires, who desires the particular thing, for what purpose it is required. So all this thing is first and foremost, that is the requirement. Second, what we can find, that whether the team or not the other work in the communications, they are in that particular environment and there is no barriers that measures the sense successfully, isn't it? There should not be any barrier. So communication barrier causes the misunderstanding. Okay, communication barriers causes the misunderstanding and misinterpretations. Communication success To communicate successfully, we must know the different types of communication barriers, and we must have to know what are the negative of this particular the different roadblocks. So communication barrier is thus what we say, that we can it prevent us from understanding the messages, to convey the messages and information through the ideas and thoughts. That means what we can find, that there are the different types of barriers that we are having during the time of communication. So talking with a person, talking with a different person, what we can find, that at that particular moment of time we are having a different type of barriers there, isn't it? So successfully we are getting out the point of a person that we are talking, isn't it? We talk to tense each and every barrier hinders an ability to the communication. So some barrier of the effective communication that you should aware of, what are the first and foremost, the common barrier is a physical barrier. Physical barrier means that we find it that the barrier is there, separate the people from each other for marking the territories. Okay, there is a territory, suppose India, then Bangladesh, Pakistan, then China, Bhutan, all these different area, what there are the physical territories are there. So on this physical territory, what we can find it that there are the closed door and stop which stop the communications, like Chinese language, we don't understand all the Chinese language, isn't it? So there are different type of Chinese codes they are using. So those the things what we can find, that we have a physical barrier there, we cannot go on that particular area. Physical barrier, it stopped us to go and know the particular language. There is face to face, often we cannot come contact with each other, or Urdu language that we find that in Taliban or Afghanistan or Iraq, those they are talking with. So there are what we can find it, that there are nearless aids communication, because that help we get from one another. another, we cannot help one another because of this particular physical barriers are there. Next, what we have a language, that means the country stopped, one country stopped to enter to the another country, one country stopped to help to other people to go there, isn't it? So lot of things that we can find, that many peoples are dying in a different area. If you want to go and help them, you cannot go, you have to go for lot of formalities, lot of work is there, and there are the different things. Even if you have seen in the different types of particular documentary, or in different areas of the different channels, there you find the people is, how the people is moving from one place to another, or getting the different other pattern of communication phases, the they are getting the different type of obstructions there. Next, what we can find, language barrier. Language barrier is one of the common, as if we take our country only, like here we are living in West Bengal, we know some of the languages. As we know some of the languages, we can talk with that, but those the language what we don't know, suppose we don't know Malayalam, Kannada, Kerala, Marathi, all these things, so we cannot talk with those peoples with their language, we cannot exchange our views, isn't it? So those the things what we can find, there is a different pattern of language barriers are also there. Okay, so those the language barriers what we can find, those the language part of barriers that we can see, that we have all these particular language barriers are there, and this particular language barrier what we find, that it is going to have its different types of what obstructions that it will going to create. Okay, gender barrier. Gender barrier means there is masculine gender and feminine gender, and there is a difference between this particular thing. Speech problem is there, that the man don't want to understand the female's words, and female don't understand the man's word. So women speak between 22,000 to 25,000 words a day, wherever the men speak about 7,000 to 10,000 words a day. So this is the thing what we can find, that there are the different type of language barrier is also there, and we are having those different type of language barrier, and those the language barrier help us, means to protect us to do the work. So what we find, that women emphasize on the politeness, empathy, or there are the different types of misbehave of the peoples, we can find it, isn't it? So logical comparison we can find it, that free and mixed logical emotions are there. So brain setup is there, different type of brain understandings are there. So all these things of things that we can find, there are the barrier. Then what we can find it, there is an attenual barrier. Attenual barrier means those the barrier where we find there are the device of the natures, isn't it? So nagging doubts, or disagreements of the conflict of some points, isn't it? So those are the barriers what we can find, that these are the disadvantage that we find, and meaningless some rituals, some meaningless type of obstructions that has been created by the people, some superficial activities which does not have any type of implementation. So those are the different pattern of things that we can find it. Okay, then what we have, we can have the different types of perceptual barrier. Perceptual barrier means a misunderstanding. Okay, you have one misunderstanding with some people, so misunderstanding with that particular people or with that particular person, that means what the misunderstanding you have, that is not been cleared in your lifelong. Okay, so those the things what is there, they are your ideologies. You may have a wrong ideologies. Basic, you can find, we can find many of the students they build up some wrong impression, wrong wrong way of presenting, wrong mind setup from the others. They are going down and down every day. Okay, so this is the thing what we can find, that we have a different type of this wrong understanding matters, wrong experiences of work, superficials of different type of thoughts, that you will be a hero, you looking very very over smart, you think yourself you are very over smart, and whatever you want you can do, you are saying to the teachers, neglecting to the teacher, disrespecting respecting to the teachers. So these are your perceptual barriers. Cultural barriers we can find that your religious, your ethics, if it is not right, your home atmosphere, home religious, home ethics, social ethic is not right in your house. Suppose you find always there is a disagreement, making a different type of bad attitudes, bad behaviors, misunderstandings. Okay, so there you will going to adapt that, and you will going to show and reflect those things to the other people. So this is what you can find it, that you have a different type of barriers, which we say that they are the cultural barrier. Different persons have a different pattern of cultures, and those the different type of cultures what we can find the people do have, that each and every culture they are making a different patterns of wrong messages, giving a wrong information, wrong type of words. So all these things what we can find that is been implemented and giving a wrong impressions. Emotional barrier, wrong emotions, that are anger, your fear, your other different pattern of emotions that you have, isn't it? So that those the different emotions what you are having, sometime you are having a wrong impression, you are cannot build up a relation with a teacher properly for your wrong thoughts and submerged thoughts, isn't it? So those are the things what we can find, that you do have those particular pattern of barriers are there. So how to handle the barrier, how to handle the barriers of that, means how to overcome these barriers, what are the things that you can do to come out from this barrier, what are the remedies for you to come out from the barriers, isn't it? So that means what are the way that you can solve those barriers, and how you can make those particular what are the barriers are there, how you can overcome them. So how to overcome them? First and foremost, that face to face interaction, you must have always face to face interaction. You must talk with very polite nature, with very politely, make yourself in a very polite way, down to words, understand the person who is talking with you, what is this feeling the person is expressing, and give the importance of the person, isn't it? So all this particular thing, that means all the good pattern of nature if you adapt, then only you can have your particular overcome the barrier. Okay, so reduce or eliminate the distraction around you. If there is distraction, suppose noise you cannot hear, there is a rough start, isn't it? If the interaction is not in a pleasant manner, if the interaction having some particular type of obstructions, okay, it is dooming. So you make that thing, that is your ways that you make that thing in a very good and effective way. You make it in a very pleasant way, so that the other people also react in a very pleasant manner. You should put the thing which is a controversial matter outside the door. Outside the door means don't not to bring those things in the conversations, isn't it? So try to assess the needs of the receiver, what the receiver want to say to you, what the receiver's culture, what the age, what the educational phenomena, isn't it? What is a gender, what is a race, what is a lifestyle the particular person. So everything that is, if the person is adopting bad culture, bad education, bad lifestyle, isn't it, or bad family background, all these things what we can find it, that there are the different types of doubts are there, and all those doubts will be what cleared only you when you can make them very much effective. Clear? Active listen, you should be an active listening to the skill. You should have the 5 steps of the knowledge. You must perceive the different styles, that means all the good style, good manners, good behaviors, isn't it, good ideas and good idealism. So you must have a very good, you must ask yourself, if you are seeing that you are not getting the thing, you must ask yourself that what is your problem, instead of blaming the other. If you don't find the thing, instead of sir hasn't given it, ma'am hasn't given that one, instead of that, that did I see the thing, did I find out from the other area, other source, did I solve it by myself. So all these things should be there, isn't it? soften your tonal quality and language. The language that you are speaking, you should be very much soft, you should be very much in a tonal phase, and very much understanding. You should not be misunderstanding yourself. That means this is why those the things are being said to you, because it is a time that when you will build up your life, when you will build up your career. Okay, so those the things should be put in a very important fact. You must look them, and you can find them, then how the thing is been working. Encouraging feedback. If you find that you are not having some encouraging one, you encourage other. Okay, encourage other. Don't give any fraud or wrong ideas. Don't claim wrong things, that sir is not teaching, ma'am is not teaching, this is sir responsibility, this is ma'am responsibility, this and that should not be there. You should bear with the particular thing. You should know that how to take the responsibility from the teacher and distribute it to the other student with very peacefully, with a successive manner. If you fail, if you do the wrong attitudes, wrong behavior, if you blame other, that means you are going to the total in a ditch. Okay, so there are the different type. Describe some of the common barrier to the effective communication, that guesses to the sender, what you are listening from the particular person, whoever the speaker is. You don't make your own guess, don't make your own ideas, don't quickly, you don't finish the sentence by your own. Don't try to overlap the particular person, what the person is speaking. Listen the thing and make it understandable. If you find you not need to talk there, then don't talk, be quiet, listen the thing quietly. Isn't it? Everywhere to open the mouth and to say wrong words, wrong thing, wrong attitudes, wrong behavior, we find many students are there that they are doing this pattern of activities in the class also, isn't it? So this is what, this is the wrong attitudes that you are going. Stereotype means about those whom you know. Those whom you know, you are talking about that only. Those whom you don't know, those the people you meet new day, you don't make a positive attitude on them. Okay, halo effect means wish the people, say the people, greets the people, isn't it? So this is the halo effects, what you come out from your stereotype of nature. Make to understand the people, don't give a negative effect to the other person. Don't speak the person where you hurt the person, where you hurt your elder, hurt the teachers and all, isn't it? Not listening the status of the gender. You don't listen the other words, you don't listen what the other people is saying, what is the other one is planning, isn't it? So as you are not listening all these things, you can get those things. Now I am coming to the second part, that is an effective communications. So effective communications is that particular pattern of communications where we can make the effective, it maybe in your book session 4. So effective lesson 4.1. so this is 4. That means you need to understand that what is the thing, what is the part that we are working with. There should be the effective communication phase. There should be those 7 habits to be implemented by the people, isn't it? So those the particular thing that you are having, that face to face communication, we say whether it is a verbal, non-verbal phase, inconsistency between the two people, feedback, proper feedback, clear understanding should be there, isn't it? So when we are having all these things, you must realize that how the thing will be workable. Communication complex. You think that you are, suppose you are the daughter of or son of some famous person, or some your guardian is working in a some post in school, and you want to show your that particular phase. So that is what a wrong thing that you are describing about yourself, because outside of the school what you are. So your all the thing, your sense, your stimulation, your feedback, your proper understanding manner, your complexity, all should be come out. You should you should become a very gentle, very good, very better human being, so that you can understand the people, you can work with the people. You should not do comparisons. You should understand the people what whom you are listening, isn't it? So those the people whom you are listening, you should appreciate them. Those you what you haven't understood, you have to think that why I haven't understood, what is my defect, that I haven't got the points. Communication across the culture, different cultures are there, different type of languages are there, different type of habits are there, rituals are there, lifestyles are there. So we have to give respect to each of these. We have to give those the people do it, they are being accepted by everyone, but those the people didn't do it, we can find they are not been accepted by everywhere, they are disliked by everywhere. So you should do talk with the people, you should respect the people, their culture, their work, their particular pattern, their caste, everything. Okay, feedback, you should get a feedback and you should talk with the people, depend on their what is the work you need to do there, how to convince them. So those are the things. Now I am coming to the 7Cs. 7Cs is a very important thing. That's when you have a meeting, email facilities, you have all these things to participate, isn't it? So all these participations what you are doing, there are 7Cs should be provided. 7Cs of the communications that should be provided. What are they? First is to be clear what you are saying, what the message you are saying, the message should be very much clear, isn't it? What the message you are passing, message should be very much clear to them. Next, what you can find it, that it to be conscious, you should be conscious about the matter, that how, what the time you are taking, what is the time you are spending for it. Now third, you should be very much conquered about the communication what you are doing. It should not be very much rough, it should very much gentle, isn't it? Conquering, correct way you should speak, what you know you speak it correctly, if you don't know you keep quiet and listen the thing, isn't it? Conquer, you should be coherent, your message what you are taking and sending, give them a time to send the messages. You should complete what you have started, the thing should be completed in a proper way, in a very small and in a very simple way. You should be courageous, you should make your words in such a way so that everyone should listen. You see, first it should be clear, make the object clear and avoid the complex phrases. Fine. Conscious, you should be very much conscious, clear about the point, avoid filter words and sentence. You should be concrete about the thing, specific, that you know that is correct, that only you will going to speak. Okay. You should be correct, avoid different topias of the words, the wrong words and wrong information. Coherent, does not give the message, does your message what you are sending, it is going to make any sense, it is going to have any logic, complete the thing what you are saying, what the action you have done, you have to complete the action. Being polite, courteous means you must be always polite, ensure your message to be accepted by everyone, isn't it? So now I am coming to the next part, that is session 5, and the last part it is the basic skill of writing. So when you write, you see it, there are the different type of writing. Writing means that one pattern of communication where you are using paper, and there are different pattern of organizations you have. So well organized communication you should do. That phrases, first and foremost, phrase means are the group of words together complete. In English we have read all of this. There are the different type of phrases, prepositional phrase, appositive phrase, participate phrase, ground phrase, anything. So those are the phrases that we can come and break it into some common area. Noun phrase, that means, see here, we all love eating ice cream, eating ice cream, a phrase like a noun sentence, it seems that it is a noun. Verb phrase, it means that the thing is a verb, may be worthy. Okay, so this is the seems like it is a verb. Adjective phrase, which gives an adjective type of, like Radhika works at a stage very gracefully, so adjective is very gracefully. Adverbial phrase means which in the adverbial built up to the words before or after, like we stroll through the ground very slowly, so very slowly is an adverbial. Prepositional phrase, we find it that all the room below the deck are for sleeping, so below the deck is a prepositional phrase. That means sentence, there are different type of sentence. Declarative sentence, where we give at the end, tell something and ends at the full stop. Exclamatory sentence, that showing a strong feeling, alas, oh God, so with an exclamation mark. Interrogative sentence, asking the question, where are you going, isn't it? So imperative sentence means where exclamation with dot, exclamation mark, or with a period. So this is the thing what you can find, that there are the different type of sentences are there. Part of speeches are there, so different part of speech are there, that we are using all these different pattern of speech. And as we are using those different pattern of speech, what we can see that all these particular pattern of speeches are there, like noun, verb, adverb, adjective, preposition. You know them very nicely. 8 speeches are there. And articles, that we are using the different type of articles. There are identified articles, and definite articles, and indefinite articles. Indefinite articles is a, and an is an indefinite articles, the is a definite articles. Paragraph writing, how to write in paragraph. First, paragraph must have a topic, then paragraph must have a support details, that paragraph must have support dialogues, paragraph must have the detail about the matter, then there should be a conclusion. See here, like a burger. So the first part, the top bun, then the layer of lettuce, then the layer of tomatoes, then the meat or cheese, meat and cheese layer. That means the main thing what you write in a paragraph, what the paragraph is about, then conclusion. So you will come to the conclusion part. So this is how you can see there, that you are having those particular structures, and you are maintaining those particular structures, that how you are working on it, how you are making the particular structures, and how you are making the thing to be workable. Okay, so this is the thing what you find, that the thing we are working with. So this is what the end of today's session, all the communication session. Thank you all very much.